One day, Pomni went on an exciting journey back to his childhood. And what was her surprise when she suddenly met up with herself, Pomni Baby. Pomni Baby was very energetic and cheerful. They immediately started talking, and their friendship grew stronger with every passing moment. Together they explored the world, played games and found new and interesting places. Their days were full of adventure. They jumped in puddles, caught butterflies, and built sandcastles on the beach. Together, they discovered a little secret. Every morning at dawn, they could make a wish, and those wishes came true. They talked about the future and made plans for their lives. Pomni Baby turned out to be a real smart girl and shared her wise thoughts with the older version of herself, Pomni. Each day, their friendship grew stronger and stronger. They began to realize that they would always help each other and support each other in difficult moments. Together, they discovered new and exciting places in their childhood. They visited a fairy tale park where they laughed and rode rides. At a picnic in the woods, they enjoyed nature and played hide and seek. Time flew fast, and soon it was time to say goodbye. Pomni promised to come back and continue her adventures with Pomni Baby. Pomni realized that no matter what time it was, little Pomni would always live inside her, ready to share her energy and determination. Pomni realized that thoughts and memories of our childhood always live inside of us and help us to grow and develop. Sometimes we only need to face ourselves, to return to those moments of happiness and innocence that made us who we are.